Again, a lot of manipulation of the two formulas. And let me write the two formulas again down for you. And one of the formulas is that AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 D. And you're looking for a formula for N and a formula for Sn, all right? So let me write Sn down too then, okay? Sn is N A1 plus AN over 2, all right? So, what do we know? We know A1, we know AN. I don't know N, though. I don't know N. That's a problem. And, well, let's take a look at it. So let's take a look. Let's look at the first formula. And the first formula is, AN. I know that. A1 I know D. So I can use this first formula, and I can actually solve it for N. All right, so let's write that down. So the first formula, I'm going to solve it. AN minus A1 equals, well, let's write this down. It's going to be ND minus D. I'm going to add D to both sides. And what do you get? AN minus A1 plus D would equal ND, and I'm going to divide through by D. And that would equal N. All right? So, let's take a look here. Did they want a formula for N? Yeah, I got it. But the question is, do I know what AN is? Yes. Do I know what A1 is? Yes. Do I know D? Yes. Everything is determined. So I'm going to say this is my formula for N. Let's look at the K. I want to make sure I got that. I see the N here. I see AN minus A1 plus D over D. So this looks good. This is good. We got this part. All right? Now I want to do the Sn part now. Now, as I do that, I'm going to start to erase things that I don't need anymore. And the reason for that, I derived these things. So I'm there. I'm not going to go backwards. Erase this over here. And then the question is, could I get a formula for Sn? And I kind of have it, but I'm kind of wondering what I don't know about it. And, do I know A1? Yes. Do I know AN? Yes. Do I know 2? Yes. But what's the N? Let me write this down then. This looks pretty easy to write down. So Sn is going to be equal to A1 plus AN over 2 times the N. Well, what's the N? Let's write this down. It's AN minus A1 plus D all over D. All right? Let me just write a little bit differently, then we'll look at the K. And you're going to get Sn. The denominator there is 2D. And what do you get there? Well, you get A1 plus AN times AN minus A1 plus D. All right, put a little box in that. We're going to look at the key now and see how we did. This is Sn. And did I get the formula they said? I got the 2D. I wrote down A1 plus AN. They wrote AN plus A1. It's commutative, so that's true. And did I get this part? AN minus A1 plus D. Yeah, things are good. We're okay. Thank you.